Welcome back to Top 10 Den. Today we're embarking on a fascinating exploration of a rather intriguing topic. Could artificial intelligence, AI, eventually replace CEOs of companies? The rapid advancements in AI are revolutionizing various industries, and corporate leadership might be the next frontier. So, buckle up as we navigate through the top 10 reasons why AI could potentially take the helm in the boardroom. Kicking off at number 10, AI's potential for data-driven decision-making is unparalleled. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data and derive meaningful insights can help make more informed strategic decisions. Goodbye gut feeling, hello hard data. At number 9, AI doesn't need to sleep, take vacations or even coffee breaks. This means they are capable of working round the clock, ensuring constant monitoring and management. Not even the most dedicated CEO can compete with a 24/7 work schedule. Human biases can often cloud judgment and decision-making. AI at number 8 operates purely on data and algorithms, eliminating the potential for personal biases in decision-making. It's all just ones and zeros to them. Coming in at number 7, AI can adapt strategies in real time based on current market conditions and business performance. The need for monthly or quarterly reviews? Obsolete. With AI, it's all about the here and now. At number 6, AI's predictive analysis capabilities can give a company a competitive edge by forecasting market trends and customer behavior. CEO's crystal ball might just become a thing of the past. Crunching at number 5, AI could lead to significant cost savings by reducing the hefty salaries and bonuses associated with CEOs. It might be time to swap that designer suit for a more economical motherboard. With AI's ability to rapidly analyze data and predict outcomes, at number 4, it could respond to crises more effectively. An AI could potentially navigate a financial downturn or a PR crisis faster than a human could. AI systems can optimize resource allocation based on real-time data and predictive models. At number 3, AI could make the most out of a company's resources, ensuring maximum efficiency. Just missing the top spot at number 2, AI could offer more objective performance evaluations of employees, providing fair and data-driven feedback. Office politics, be gone. Taking our number 1 spot, AI's capacity for constant learning and improvement could keep companies at the cutting edge of their industry. Utilizing machine learning, an AI CEO could continually optimize its performance, ensuring the company evolves with the market. But as impressive as that might be, we can't overlook the need for a human touch. It's vital to have a human reviewer to ensure any hidden biases are identified and corrected. Someone who understands the company's vision, to oversee the AI's strategic changes, but hopefully paid much in line with the actual work they do. That wraps up our top 10 reasons why AI could eventually replace CEOs. While the thought might seem dystopian to some, the potential advantages are undeniably intriguing. And as impressive as that might be, we can't overlook the need for a human touch. It's vital to have a human reviewer to ensure any hidden biases are identified and corrected. Someone who understands the company's vision, to oversee the AI's strategic changes, and hopefully paid much more in line with the actual work they do. If you found this topic interesting, do give us a thumbs up and comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to Top 10 Den for more captivating countdowns.